For me, the biggest thing people should do before they start their makeup routine, because obviously a primer is important, sunscreen is very important. So use a sunscreen. If you have a changing colour or a changing pigment on the skin, you can get things to correct the skin. So you can use a green neutralising if you've got very red skin. If you've got very dull skin, you can get a rosy sort of radiance primer, those sorts of things. For me, as long as you're sun protected, which is really important, we can't do a natural sunscreen that's comfortable and looks great. So find your perfect sunscreen, 30 plus, put that underneath your makeup. Then really choose products that, like our Perfected Concealer, which you can use on areas that have varying colours or pigmentations, that doesn't look like you've got a full face of makeup on and are comfortable and quick to use.